Kusuma Holla. Good morning, madam. How are you?
Good morning. I'm doing fine. Wonderful meditation. It
For
is
me, it is
so much
almost.
similar. I want to thank you calling you Guru because you have taught us more like 24 techniques of healing our body through Reiki. I felt so good. And then I do
Thank you
need
very
the
much.
consolation. I do need the consolation prize.
Yes, cancellation. Thank you very much. See,
Yeah.
here nobody is Guru. In the Ho'oponopono,
Yes.
it is only
Uh-huh.
divine. Because even in
Yes.
cleaning the memories, I told, when you are doing the Ho'oponopono meditation or prayer, specific prayer, whatever you're doing, just doing the procedure process which is start. But the cleaning is taken care by only divine. Only divine is capable of cleaning. Here only divine is the only Guru. I am just a puppet
Oh,
in his hands.
I agree. Yes,
I
I
call him,
understand.
yeah, I say that in his hands, but I call him as mother. When I call the divine
Yes.
as mother, immediately I feel the connection, mother and the child connection.
Yes.
Thank you
But
very
it's a
much, madam.
nice, I have to thank, like you said, I have to thank God, the divine, for giving this. I was in a hurry and worry. It's been a lot of confusion. I wasn't sure I'll get into this meeting, but that is God's grace. I was able to do this, clean my whole
Yeah,
body from all the pain. I have so much of pain. I really feel good. Thank you.
you're most welcome. And because only it's only because of the divine grace we are able to get together. 25, 30 people are getting together and doing these things.
Right,
If I
right,
was
yeah.
born 50 years earlier and you were born 50 years later, there is no chance we will be meeting. It is only because of the divine grace we are born at
Yes,
the almost somewhere 10,
yeah.
15 years like this and we are able to meet.
But I do want to thank you for hosting this every Sunday, even in your on your weekends. Thank you for that.
Yeah, yeah. Only weekends only it's possible for me.
Yeah,
Weekdays,
it's easy.
yeah, it will be very late for me. By the time I reach home, it will be too late and will
Yeah.
be tired and may not be feasible. Sundays it will be free. Thank you for your feedback. Anybody else
You're
would like to
welcome.
share their experience? How did you feel? Any part of your body spoke to you? After talking to parts, any part of your body stopped working? So
I,
all bodies are working fine. Yes, madam. Karana, madam.
yeah, I was like when I started, like till I came up towards the upper body and all. After that, a couple of this thing, I don't remember. I just went off to sleep. I didn't know where
That's
I was,
nice.
and then miraculously I woke up also. I did not know what it was like. It was so relaxing. I can't tell you. Because at
That's
first I was sitting. Then you said you can
yeah.
do even lying down. So I did it lying down. So just went off to this
That's
thing.
great.
Yeah.
And one more great thing is even though you are asleep and you are not present in the session, still you are alive.
Yeah.
Thankful to the divine.
Yeah. Divinely.
Anybody else would like to?
Thank you, sir, for a nice session and healing our
Yes, madam.
body. Very nice experience. We actually have this full body uh, system in our body. Day to day, we actually breathe and we do all activities, but we never thank our body. But today's session was very wonderful, and first session I had attended, and I feel very nice, sir. Thank you for this.
Thank you very much and most welcome. And thank you for reminding me about the heart. While doing the meditation, I forgot
No,
about my
sir.
heart.
Actually, actually,
Thank you for
we were
reminding me
going.
during the meditation. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Usually, to speak to each and every organ of the part and acknowledging and thanking the part, it will take around 1 hour. So people may not be patient enough, and many people are new to the meditation and all. They will not be able to sit. So we need to make it fast. Thank you
Yes.
very much.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody else would like to share? How did you feel?
Sir, thank you so much, sir, for a great and amazing way to thanking our every part of our body. I will never say thank you to even last. Thank you so much, sir. I'm
You're
feeling
most
relaxed.
welcome. Yeah. Whenever you're finding any kind of discomfort, just gently touch that part of the body and say, "Thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you." That is enough. Because it is a cellular memories. The memories are stored at the cellular level. It's not only from this lifetime, from many lifetimes we have been accumulating so many memories. Lot of the emotional hurts, judgments are stored in different parts of the body. And because of these stored emotions and the unwanted thoughts which we are accumulating and storing, and we are blaming our body. Body is ache, back pain, and shoulder pain, the discomfort, disease, like this. Just say, "Thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. I am sorry for all the memories stored at the cellular level. My dear cellular memories, thank you, I love you. I am grateful for the one more opportunity to free all of you and me. Thank you, I love you." In this way, you can talk to each and every part of the body, each and every cell of the body, so that you are releasing the cellular memory.
Sir,
This
I
is
want to
the,
thank my brother.
yes,
Actually,
madam.
he always remember me that today is the session and please try to attend. So thanks to him because of reminder, I could join this session today.
Your brother is there in this group today.
Yes, sir. Prashant is my brother.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. Second prize winner, Prashant. Thank you very much. Yeah. It is really great to see you here. Yeah. Most welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. Most of the time we are taking the things for granted. For example, in a day we'll be drinking water at least 10 times to 20 times, 30 times. Have you ever remembered to say thank you, I love you? Because water is available abundant, we are taking it for granted, and water is available free of cost. And now it has become business also now because of our lifestyles and city life. The water, purified water, mineral water, like this, the water also has become the business. And when you are drinking the water and breathing in the air, breathing, and we are taking the things for granted, the things which we are getting at free of cost. For each and every moment, whenever you're breathing, for not for each and every breath. If you keep on saying thank you, I love you for each and every breath, you cannot do anything. At least once in a while, say thank you, I love you. When you feel the cool air, when you're drinking the water, when you're having the food, just say to the food, thank you, I love you. Anybody else would like to share,
Yes,
show?
Srinivas, I would like to share.
Yes, madam, Neelam Malik. Or Sultana?
Me, sir, Sultana.
Yes, madam.
So, thank you very much for yet another session. I have found a lot of relief in physical pain and mental pain after I started expressing gratitude and acknowledging. So, thank you very much.
You're most welcome. And I am thankful to you for spreading the Ho'oponopono. The
Yes, sir.
Ho'oponopono is spreading in Hyderabad like a disease, infection.
No, I
Thank you
want
very much
my
for your
friends also
contribution.
to
Yeah.
benefit from it. So,
Yes, sure.
yes, thank
Yeah,
you.
most of- yeah. And it is not that you need to sit in a place for half an hour or 1 hour. You need to speak to each and every part of the body, and you need to do this meditation. If you start planning like that, you may do for a couple of days or 1 week, and afterwards you forget it. Whenever you get time, you just talk to few parts of the body or whole body. Thank you, I love you. Acknowledge the whole body and say thank you, I love you. My dear body, thank you, I love you. And whenever you have time, you can talk to each and every part of the body and express your gratitude. And ask the forgiveness for any kind of pain or discomfort is there in that part. Ask the forgiveness to storing those emotions and the memories in that part.
नीचे नहीं ਹੁੰਦਾ वो मिरर देखो wait
Neela madam, would you like to say share something?
I just want to say thank you very much for this session.
You're most welcome. You're feeling so energetic and your face is glowing with the smile. So a lot of energy, making like a source of energy.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. And people want to be in touch with the happy people only. When you're smiling and laughing, then only people start coming to you and start talking to you.
Yeah.
Whenever a person starts feeling low, then people just go away.
Right.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes. Anybody else?
Thank you very much. But I was feeling very thirsty after the meditation.
See, whenever you're doing any kind of energy work, you need to, before doing or after doing the session, you need to take water. Whether it is talking to the body or doing any inner child meditation or set of 4 prayers of breathing, any kind of energy work. It is not only Ho'oponopono, any kind of self-development or energy work when you are doing healing work, before the session and after the session, you need to have the water. Because when you are doing these things, your mind is at the job, conscious, subconscious, or superconscious. And when the mind is so busy, it is absorbing a lot of water from your body. So you need to supply more and more water. And sometimes you need to add sugar and little bit salt also. Because mind consumes most of the water, sugar, and the salt. These are the things that is required for the mind when you are into healing work. Salt, just a pinch of salt you can add just for taste, whatever is enough. And sugar, 1 or 2 teaspoons sugar you can add with water and take more and more water. Or you can make lemon juice or like this, you can have. And I request all of you, whenever you are attending weekly session or any healing session, before the session, please have a glass of water. And after the session, have a glass of water. Because a lot of things are changing in your space, the body's energies.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much for asking. When one person asks the question, it clarifies many people's doubts.
I have a question, Srinivas.
Yes, madam.
The child mind is actually inside the subconscious mind. Am I correct?
Your subconscious
child
mind is
mind.
the inner child.
Inner
Inner
child.
child is
Okay.
subconscious
which
mind.
Okay.
Yeah, it is
Which is the
not inside
current
the subconscious mind. Yeah. It is not the separate
Okay.
from subconscious.
Okay.
Subconscious
Okay.
mind itself
So
is
when
known
we
as the inner child. And in the inner
inner
child, the
child.
memories are
Oh,
stored.
okay. And
Memories
that
are
is
stored
what
in
we
the
are
subconscious.
talking.
Yes. Memories are
That is
stored
what
in
we
the
are asking to
subconscious
forget.
mind. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Whenever
Okay,
you're
got
doing
it.
any,
Thank
yes,
you.
yeah. It's also known as the
Uh,
memory bank.
Uh-huh. So we apologize. We say sorry for all the mistakes we did. Our ancestors, we are talking to the subconscious mind.
Yes,
Correct?
yes, madam. Yes, subconscious
Okay.
mind, the inner
Okay.
child. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Thank you.
you.
Abhijit, yeah. Abhijit, would you like to say something?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me such an awesome tool. It's like my expressing ability has increased by somewhat around 10%. That's what I'm feeling as of now.
Thank you very much. Many times we are not aware, and sometimes we are taking for granted the things. As I told, while breathing, we are not in gratitude to the air or the breath or the universe or the mother earth or the universal creator, the divine God who is providing the air, the water. And likewise, our bodies are working 24/7. Only few things we are able to do consciously. And most of the things are done in our body without our effort and pilot mode, as if like heart is pumping, lungs, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, digestive system. So many systems in our body are working on autopilot mode. Just acknowledging these things and expressing our gratitude will help those to release the cellular memories stored in the body in each and every cell. Once the cellular memories are released, then you'll be free from the discomfort, disease, the pains. Anybody else? Is it time to close the session? Time to say good night? Or anybody would like to add something else? Share. Thanks to all of you. Thank you very much for attending. Thank you very much for your participation in doing this meditation. Actually,
Thank you,
this
sir.
is not the meditation. We are just talking to the body.
Thank you, sir. And good night, sir.
Thank you very
Very
much.
Yeah,
good
thank
night.
you and good night.
Most welcome. Most welcome. Bye bye. See you.
Thanks.
Ta ta.
Bye. Bye bye.
Bye.